Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a zoom in and zoom out effect in CapCut using. Alright, so for example I'm going to select image and I'm just going to copy paste into some part. Now to drawn, you are just going to add the animation. Select first clip and select animation, and you can select in animation, scroll down and add the zoom out and adjust for duration and full duration, which is 2 seconds, because previously I set up the image duration in 2 seconds. So apply to third clip and fifth clip, zoom out. So for the second clip, fourth clip and sixth clip, you can add the out and zoom in, and this is for the duration of full. So here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.